Good day, everyone. For this video, I will be teaching you how to install and sign up on Seaker application on your Android devices. First, go to Play Store. Search for Seaker application. Click Install. Click Open. Click Create Account. Sign up. Enter your first name, middle initial, last name, email. Set a password, gender, address. Province. And choose Never Been on board. Click Next and enter your mobile number. Click Continue and wait for the code. Enter the code. Go to Profile and allow all. Choose Akron Polytechnic College for school, and choose whatever your course. Year you completed your academic requirements or CCI. Click Done. Choose I am in training and click Done. Exit. Thank you for watching.